Welcome to the world of the all-new 2026 Mazda Camper Van, a modern motorhome designed for comfort, adventure, and pure driving excitement. Built with Mazda's signature craftsmanship and smooth driving performance, this camper van is made to turn every journey into a first-class experience. Today, we explore its exterior, interior, and luxury features from every angle. From the front right side, the 2026 Mazda Camper Van has a clean, dynamic shape inspired by Mazda's famous Kodo design language. Its bold LED headlights wrap smoothly around the edges, giving it an aggressive yet elegant appearance. The right side body line is sculpted with precision, showing strength and movement even when standing still. The chrome detailing, wide windshield, and high ground clearance give it a premium road presence perfect for long travel. The front bumper is aerodynamically engineered for stability, while the right side sliding door offers easy access to the interior. This angle truly reflects Mazda's modern identity: sleek, sporty, and ready for adventure. From the front left side, the camper van continues its luxury character with wide fenders and a beautifully shaped front fascia. The left side window line stays perfectly balanced, allowing maximum natural light to flow inside the cabin. The 2026 model includes updated airflow channels on the low bumper for better cooling and fuel efficiency. The LED DRLs glow sharply, giving the van a futuristic look. The side mirror design is slimmer yet more functional, improving wind resistance and rear visibility. This left angle highlights how Mazda has blended curves and edges to make the motorhome stand out, offering both beauty and practical touring capability. Entering the interior steering cabin, you are welcomed into a premium driver-focused environment. The dashboard features a large multimedia display, full digital gauge cluster, and soft touch materials that feel luxurious and modern. The steering wheel carries Mazda's signature sporty grip, making long drives effortless. The cabin seating is extra cushioned, fully adjustable, and designed to reduce fatigue during long highway travel. The cabin is sound insulated, giving a peaceful and quiet driving experience, while the panoramic windshield provides an open, commanding road view. Every switch and control is placed for easy reach, making this motorhome a true driver's machine. The bedroom section offers comfort that feels like a small luxury hotel room. The soft queen-size mattress, warm ambient lighting, and overhead cabinets create a cozy and premium environment. Large side windows bring in natural sunlight, making the room feel spacious and refreshing. The bed area includes USB ports, reading lights, and climate control for personalized comfort. Storage compartments are hidden smartly into the surroundings so the space stays clean and open. Whether you're parked in nature or staying at a campsite, the bedroom gives you calmness and deep relaxation at the end of every journey. The TV lounge is built for entertainment and comfort. A large LED smart TV is mounted cleanly on the side wall, paired with surround sound speakers that turn the cabin into a mini theater. The seating arrangement uses soft leather cushions with recliner options for maximum relaxation. Built-in cup holders, ambient strip lighting, and USB charging ports complete the lounge's practical layout. This area can be transformed from a social hangout spot into a nighttime relaxation zone within seconds. Whether watching movies, news, or listening to music while parked in the mountains, the TV lounge becomes your favorite place inside the motorhome. The kitchen area is compact, stylish, and highly functional. It includes a stainless steel sink, induction stove, microwave, oven, and a modern refrigerator built into the cabinet wall. The countertop uses scratch-resistant material, ensuring durability for long-term use. Overhead shelves and under-counter drawers offer plenty of space for utensils and groceries. LED lighting makes the area bright and practical even at night. Mazda designed the kitchen so travelers can cook meals comfortably while on the road, turning every camping trip into a home-like experience. The washroom is designed with both hygiene and convenience in mind. It includes a standing shower area, water-efficient toilet, and a vanity mirror with LED lighting. The waterproof wall panels and anti-slip flooring make the space safe and easy to maintain. The built-in ventilation system keeps air fresh, while the compact layout ensures everything is reachable without feeling cramped. This washroom gives you full comfort even when traveling far from city facilities. Now, exploring all angles and history, the 2026 Mazda Camper Van continues Mazda's long journey of producing reliable, stylish, and efficient vehicles. Mazda has always been known for its human-centered engineering, and this motorhome follows the same philosophy. From its origins in compact vans to modern lifestyle camper vans, Mazda has evolved to meet the needs of travelers who want more than just transportation. They want adventure, comfort, and style. The back view of the 2026 model features vertical LED taillights, a wide rear door for storage, and a modern aerodynamic roofline. From the top, the integrated roof rails, solar panel options, and skylight windows show Mazda's focus on innovation and long-distance travel. The right and left angles reveal a strong stance, balanced proportions, and a clean profile that reflects Mazda's reputation for beauty and simplicity. This camper van stands as a symbol of Mazda's legacy, blending performance, luxury, and practicality into one perfect travel machine.